Something has been weighing on me for days now. I didn't want to talk about it immediately because I needed to understand it first. But the feeling isn't going away. It's getting stronger. It happened late at night. Again, this time around 3:18 a.m. The room got unusually still. Like all the noise inside me suddenly stopped. And then, just like that, I got a download. A sudden knowing, the kind that hits you so sharply you can't pretend it didn't happen. The room got unusually still, like all the noise inside me suddenly stopped. And then, just like that, I got a download, a sudden knowing, the kind that hits you so sharply you can't pretend it didn't happen. Being clear cognizant, this is how it happens for me. It's not a booming voice or anything dramatic. It's just pure clarity arriving out of nowhere. And this one felt different. It felt like a warning, but not a fearful one. More like a wake up call. Before I share what came through, if you want to support my work or check out products created with genuine intention and universal care, you can visit astralkarma.com. There's a donation option too. All the links are in the description below. Alright, let me tell you exactly what I understood. The first thing that hit me was this overwhelming feeling. People are drifting away from themselves and they don't even realize it. It wasn't judgmental. It wasn't harsh. It felt more like concern, like a gentle push saying, "Wake up before things drift too far." Then came the next realization. December is a crossroads, not a disaster, not doom, but a moment where the energy shifts and each person has to choose what direction they want life to move in. The message became clearer. If people pause, reflect, they get swallowed by the world's noise. If they don't reconnect with love, compassion, and truth, they will start feeling lost, even if everything looks normal on the outside. That part really hit me because it felt like this warning wasn't about the world ending. It was about people losing their inner world. Then another layer came through. Tell them to guard their heart this December. Guard their peace. Guard their mind because distractions will be strong. And then came this image, people getting emotionally overwhelmed, people reacting without thinking, people forgetting who they are because of pressure, fear, or noise around them. The message continued. Those who choose love, those who stay grounded, those who stay true to themselves will rise above all of it. And the last line of the download, the one who stayed with me the longest was, "My warning is love, not fear." That's when I understood. The shocking part isn't about doom. It's that many people don't realize how disconnected their soul is becoming, until something shakes them awake. If you are listening right now and something about this feels true for you, then maybe this message is meant for you. Maybe you have been overwhelmed. Maybe you have been drifting. Maybe you have been feeling a quiet emptiness or a restlessness you can't explain. You are not alone. You are not losing yourself. You are being called back. Called back to your truth, your peace, your heart. December is not something to fear. It's a reminder, a moment to pull your energy back, to reconnect with love, to choose clarity over chaos. And if this touched you, share it with someone who might need this wake up call, because sometimes a simple reminder can save someone's spirit. Thank you for staying here with me. I am Blaze Goldburst. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe now. Your support means a lot to me. Merry Christmas in advance. You have got vision, hunger, purpose, yet the flow won't start. This tarot exposes the energetic locks on your success. When to act, when to wait, where your power hides. The cards speak like strategy from the soul. Once seen, the pattern shifts. Ideas click. Opportunities move. Unlock your fortune. Begin your prosperity tarot. Click the link in the description and get it now.